Hi there, students. Ebullient, an adjective. Ebullience, the noun. Ebullient means enthusiastic, exuberant, full of enthusiasm and excitement for something. Cheerful, happy and full of energy. Full of joy and high spirits. So this is when you feel really good and you're full of energy and excitement about something. The candidate was ebullient when he discovered that he had got the job. He was really happy, was really upbeat. Madonna has always been an ebullient and feisty character, full of energy and life. Many butterflies have ebullient colours in their wings. The ebullience of the colours is amazing. He felt ebullient after winning a large amount of money at the races. Generally, when people have had a few drinks, they become much more ebullient and much less depressed. She was in an ebullient mood all day after receiving the good news. So this is when you feel really good, on top of the world, excited and with desire and zest to do things. His natural ebullience always shines through. I would describe my friend as an ebullient, enthusiastic and energetic person with a real lust for life. Okay, this word ebullient comes from Latin. Ebullio, I boil. Bullio, I bubble up. So if something is boiling, it is bubbles are coming. You could say that a person was effervescent, full of bubbles, because they're just so happy and enthusiastic about things. Now, the next question, formality. Ebullient in an informal conversation? No. Over the moon, really happy, in high spirits, something like that. I would use ebullient in something semi-formal or something formal. I'd probably give it a 7.5 in formality. So it's good for your academic writing. I think ebullient also is a literary word, so it would sound really good in an essay. Yeah, this is definitely a word to add to your GRE vocabulary. Okay, so ebullient, overflowing with happiness, excitement, enthusiasm, really wanting to do things because you feel so good about it. So what makes you ebullient? Well, horses for courses. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ebullient.